Okay, so we are still on ionic, but now we are going to write the formula from the name. So we have to look at the name, figure out the symbol and the charge of the ion, and crisscross charges. So there are some examples, and let's do some more. Sodium is Na. We find it on the periodic table. Group 1, it has a +1 charge. Fluoride is F. From its position on the periodic table, we know that it is a -1. Crisscross charges, NaF. Lithium, Li, group 1. Oxygen, O with a 2-. Crisscross charges. Calcium, Ca. It's in group 2, so it's a +2. Nitrogen needs to gain 3 electrons, so we have a -3. Crisscross, and that's what we get. Aluminum is a +3 charge. Sulfide is a -2. So we get Al2S3. Iron 2. These metals with variable charge are actually easier now because we don't have to look any further than the Roman numeral to know the charge. Chloride is a -1. Crisscross charges, and that's what we've got. Tin 4, so that's Sn with a +4. Oxide is O with a -2. So we crisscross charges, we get Sn2O4. But that's not the answer. Subscripts in an ionic compound have to be the lowest whole number ratio. So we get SnO2. We had to reduce. Sodium sulfate. Sodium Na, group 1, +1 charge. Sulfate, polyatomic ion that you memorized, SO4 2-. The 4 belongs to the sulfate. It doesn't move, it doesn't change. Just the charges are used for crisscrossing. So we get Na2SO4. Magnesium chlorate. Magnesium, +2. Chlorate, another polyatomic ion that you have to memorize. +2 -1 are what we crisscross. So we get Mg. We've got to put our chlorate in parentheses and the 2 outside the parentheses. Copper 2 sulfate. Cu2+. Sulfate, SO4 2-. We've got a +2 and a -2, so they balance out at a 1-to-1 ratio. Sodium, Na +1. Hydrogen carbonate all together is a polyatomic ion. HCO3-. So we have a +1 and a -1. We get that.